Looks like a volcano, but it's not hot. Azerbaijan is famous for its mud volcanoes that erupt cold mud and flammable gases. Welcome to Azerbaijan series, and this is Gobustan mud volcanoes. More than 50% of the world's mud volcanoes, nearly 350 of them, are right here in Gobustan, Azerbaijan. They release methane gas, which sometimes ignites into spectacular fireballs, just like Yanardagh, the burning mountain. These volcanoes are linked to Azerbaijan's rich oil and gas reserves, a completely natural phenomenon. And most of them are around Gobustan, around 80 kilometers from Baku city, roughly 1 to 1.5 hours drive depending on the traffic. And the last 10 to 15 kilometers, you switch to rugged Soviet era SUVs for serious off-roading. A bumpy ride through cratered land, an eerie, moon-like landscape that feels completely unreal. Those who have back problems, please avoid. We paid almost 200 manat for 4 people in a private car to take us from the hotel in Baku city until Gobustan and get us back to the hotel. Nature doesn't always need lava to amaze.